Hello and welcome to the channel. The Faro plane spotter already talked about this company, a Spanish low-cost airline founded in 2011, but it was only in the following year that they began to taste the clouds. Now bear with me, people. As I just said, they are a low-cost airline, but if they happen to fly grasshoppers, then they would be a locust airline. I know, bad joke. Or as we say in Portugal, piada seca, which means dry joke. Anyway, thank you for indulge my madness. They have 45 aircraft at their service, and most of them are Airbus A319 and A320. And because of the livery, they also seem to be dragging my grandmother's tablecloth. Well, for now, I think I'm not doing any friends at Volotea. But please, don't be mad at me, okay? These are just jokes. I'm sure you are a very fine airline. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed one more video at Faro International Airport. And as usual, be kind and generous, and always keep your eyes in the sky.